To fix the PayPal error, please check your information and try again later. Follow these steps. First, ensure you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your email address and password to confirm they are accurate. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your password. Next, verify your account information is up to date. Check that your name, address, and phone number are correct and match the information on your PayPal account. If any of this information is outdated or incorrect, update it and try again. Another common cause of this error is issues with your payment method. Check that your credit or debit card information is correct and that the card has not expired. If you are using a bank account, ensure that it is linked correctly and that there are sufficient funds. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can also resolve the issue. This will remove any temporary data that may be causing the error. Try using a different browser or device to see if the issue is specific to one browser or device. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try contacting PayPal customer support. They can help you identify the cause of the error and provide additional assistance. When contacting support, have your account information and any error messages available to help them assist you more efficiently. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the PayPal error and complete your transaction successfully. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and to use the correct login credentials to avoid this error in the future.